Hi, my name is Carlyn Cefaratti. My presentation is on Respiration 2. Respiration, a vital process, facilitates the exchange of life-sustaining gases. This presentation delves into critical learning objectives encompassing topics such as simple diffusion, atmospheric and alveolar air composition, external and internal respiration, hemoglobin structure, oxygen transport, the hemoglobin dissociation curve, carbon dioxide transport, hypocapnia, hypercapnia, and anemia. The image in the top right is of cellular respiration from byjust.com. It shows the steps that a cell goes through during respiration. Simple diffusion, including passive movement, parietal pressure, and Dalton's law. Simple diffusion is the passive movement of gases across cell membranes. Parietal pressure plays a crucial role in the movement of gases. Dalton's law states that the total pressure of a gas mixture is equal to the sum of the parietal pressures of its own individual gases. Simple diffusion is very important in respiration and a huge part of what it means to have Dalton's law. Composition of atmospheric and alveolar air, including what it contains, where it is found, and Boyle's law. Atmospheric air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases as well. Alveolar air is found in the lungs and has a different composition due to the processes of breathing, because we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Boyle's law explains the relationship between pressure and volume, while in the opposing argument, Henry's law describes gas solubility. External respiration, including exchange of gases, parietal pressure, and efficient external respiration. External respiration involves the exchange of gases within the lungs. Parietal pressure drives the movement of gases across the alveolar capillary membrane. The composition of alveolar air is crucial for efficient external respiration. External respiration, also including internal respiration, are what makes the cell respirate through the body. Internal respiration, including where it occurs, what the process ensures, and the overall cell function. Internal respiration occurs at the tissue level, involving the exchange of gases between blood and body tissues. This process ensures that oxygen is delivered to cells and carbon dioxide is removed, similar to the process of breathing. Internal respiration is integral to overall cellular function. Hemoglobin structure. including what is hemoglobin, what it consists of, and oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that carries the oxygen during the process of breathing. It consists of 4 subunits, each containing an iron atom. Those two bind to the oxygen. Oxyhemoglobin is when hemoglobin is bound to oxygen, while deoxyhemoglobin is when it is not bound to oxygen. Oxygen transport within the blood, including hemoglobin saturation, hemoglobin dissociation, and the curve. Hemoglobin saturation refers to the percentage of hemoglobin binding sites occupied by oxygen. The hemoglobin dissociation curve illustrates the relationship between oxygen saturation and parietal pressure. The curve helps understand how oxygen is released from hemoglobin to the tissues. The image in the top right is from hyperphysics, which shows another image of oxygen transporting within the blood during respiration. Carbon dioxide transport, including various forms, different ions, carbonic anhydrates. Carbon dioxide is transported in the blood in various forms. Bicarbonate ions, hydrogen ions, and carbonic acid are key players in this process. Carbonic anhydrase is an enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of carbon dioxide and water to carbonic acid. Hypocapnia and hypercapnia, including what they are and connection to blood pH. Hypocapnia is a condition of abnormally low carbon dioxide levels, potentially leading to respiratory alkalosis. Hypercapnia is the opposite, with high carbon dioxide levels, potentially causing respiratory acidosis. These conditions are correlated with changes in the blood pH. That's where the word hypo and hyper come, because hyper means high and hypo means low. Anemia and oxygen levels restoration, including what is anemia? What is erythropoietin? What occurs for the body to deal with anemia? Anemia is a condition categorized by a low number of red blood cells or low hemoglobin levels. Erythropoietin is a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. In cases of anemia, the body may increase erythropoietin production to restore oxygen carrying capacity. Other cures for anemia include low iron and then taking iron pills. And for my final slide, I have my citations, which include info from sources such as Khan Academy, Britannica, or osmosis.org. Thank you all for listening. Bye-bye.